Hello, my name is Sandoval, and this is my IR communication. So basically, if I start this, if I click 1, it just turned red. Then if I click 2, it will turn green. Then if I click 3, it will turn blue. So that is it, basically what I did for this project. And also right here is my code. Basically what I did is using the serial mutation where it display the button for which one I will click. If I stop this and put it right here, if I click 1, wait, I have to play. If I click 1, it just popped it out right here, which is FD08F7. So this is the color, and I just put the button which one I want to click on. So button 2 is this one, then I add 0x for my value to show right here to display the LED light. Thank you and have a nice day.